Hello everybody, working on my 77 F100 today. I got a stereo for it last year after there was a low rent one in there that crapped out. I put a new one in, era specific but a digital readout, pretty nice. And I need to upgrade the speakers, and to do that I need to get the door panel off to get to the door panel speakers. I have seen a video on how to do this. Unfortunately, I was just using the wrong tools. For this, essentially there's a screw here in the right in the door handle. Let me fix your view. So actually, as you open it, there's one screw in there, and then right here on the door grab, there's two screws here, one screw on the window crank, and then after that there are metal friction pins. I don't even want to call them friction pins. They're more like clips. I'll show them when I get them. Show them to you when I get them off of there. I want to try and keep my fat out of your way. Pretty self-explanatory here with the screws. They're all Phillips. Just pull that screw and handle right out of the way. These door panels, they used, I want to say from 73 to 79. Two Phillips in the door handle, well, the door pull. And that's a fairly average. Let me fix my focus. Just a smaller Phillips on those. So pretty small Phillips on the window crank and the door pull. However, on the door handle itself is a larger Phillips, quite a bit larger actually. So it's the fat one in your set. Come from the inside of the handle, it's right there. It's really easy to get to. And in doing so, in setting up for the video, I realized that I have a cracked door handle as well. So, just to give you an idea, I'm not sure if I can make the camera pick that up. There it is. You can see it right there. That'd be a bummer, you know. It'd still be okay to get you'd still be able to get the door off or the door open, but I'll be getting some replacement ones of those. To pry the door panel off, plastics, folks, plastics. Get yourself some body pry bars. There's a different name for them. It's a more specific name, but that's what we're calling them today. Plastic, plastic, plastic. The video I saw, the guy was using putty knives, which is fine if you're not worried about scratch and paint. I am very worried about scratch and paint. You'll notice there are two holes right here. That is not factory. That's from somebody trying to pull or pry the door off with the wrong item. And God knows when that happened. I would replace these, but I can't find them in red anywhere. So if anybody's got a line on that, let me know in the comments. I would like to replace them. So with these pins, I want to say there's 3 on top, 3 on the bottom, and I think 2. There's supposed to be 3, but I think I've got 2 left. There's 1 missing. So you just come in here at the top and pry that away a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Fingers under there. There's 1. And you don't have to, I mean, it's not a lot of muscle, it's more finesse than muscle. Another one. They don't fight too badly unless you're pulling in the wrong spot. Then they fight a lot. since these are metal clips, you want to hold that panel pretty steady if you're worried about scratches. And that's it. One of them fell down. Unlike today's plastic friction pin or Christmas trees or whatever you like to call them, the black plug doojabs, that's what's in this door. It is just a clip that when you push it in, these close up and then spring back out, and that's it. That's how they look on the door themselves. That's how they clip on there. You just pull right off and clip back in. Obviously, to put it back on, you're going to do everything in reverse order. I'm not going to bore you to death with that. Plus, I want to leave it off so that I can put my speakers in when I get them. That's about it, folks. Pretty cut and dry on these older vehicles. Pretty darn easy. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.